안녕하세요 여러분, 캐시입니다.
알렉스예요.
오늘 배워볼 표현은요. It's Monday again.
I know, weekends are too short.
I'm so tired.
Me too. This morning, I slept through my alarm.
Today's phrase is I slept through my alarm. The alarm rang, but you didn't hear it and you kept sleeping. This is when you say, I slept through my alarm.
You said the alarm rang, but it is more common to say the alarm went off. To go off in this case means to go from a resting state to an active state. The alarm goes off means the alarm is turned on. The bomb goes off means the bomb explodes.
What if the alarm stopped ringing then?
Then say the alarm turned off, or I turned off the alarm if you hit the snooze button. So Cassie, question, how many times do you hit the snooze button before you finally get up?
I never hit the snooze button. I wake up naturally before the alarm goes off.
Yeah, I don't hit the snooze button either.
Sure.
Not 4 times before I'm almost late for work and I have to rush to get out of the house. Never. Never done that. And on the weekends, I don't use an alarm, so I usually sleep in on the weekends.
To sleep in means to sleep longer than you usually do. You don't use an alarm, you just keep sleeping, so you sleep in. The expressions we used today were, I slept through my alarm. I slept through my alarm. The alarm went off. The alarm went off. I usually sleep in on the weekends. I usually sleep in on the weekends. Do you pay money to learn English?
No, cake is for free.
공짜잖아. Download it now.
It's free.
진짜 영어 표현을 배우고 싶으면 즐거운 영어 생활 책도 보세요.